Ugh, this is impossible.
Is this what you call clean?
Have you ever had a client who made you question if running a house cleaning business was even worth it? Or maybe you're in landscaping, carpet cleaning, bookkeeping, a beauty salon, really any service business, and you've had that one client who made you want to quit. Maybe they complained you were taking too long. Maybe they micromanaged every little detail. Or maybe no matter how hard you worked, they were never satisfied. I've been there. And after 18 years of cleaning homes, I've learned this. Customer service skills can either make your business grow or make it crumble under stress. And this doesn't just apply to house cleaning. It's true for any service-based business. Today, I'm going to share the exact customer service strategies I've used, backed by my real-life stories, the good, the bad, and the downright difficult. You'll learn how to handle tough clients with confidence, keep the good ones happy, and grow a business that actually supports you. Customer service isn't just a nice bonus. It's the foundation of your entire business. Because the truth is, a happy client comes back again and again. A satisfied client tells their friends and leaves glowing reviews. And even when problems happen, the way you handle them can completely change how clients see you. Let's dive into the customer service skills that have helped me keep clients for years and also taught me when it's time to walk away. The first customer service skill every cleaner needs is active listening. Clients all have different preferences, and it's your job to hear them out. From my experience, some clients asked me not to clean their office desk. They want it untouched. Others request I use their own products instead of mine. Some have indoor-only cats and want me extra careful about keeping doors shut. A few want certain rooms to get more attention than others. And yes, some even ask me to deposit their check the same day I clean. Even though Zelle has made payments easier, I still have clients who prefer checks. When you listen carefully and keep notes, you're showing clients you respect their preferences. That builds long-term trust. Active listening shows respect and keeps clients loyal. Here's how to put it into practice. Give your client your full attention. Avoid distractions. Repeat key points back so they know you got it right. Make it a habit. Write down every client's request, even the small ones. It sets you apart as a true professional. Skill number 2, clear communication. In my business, I don't leave anything up to chance. Before I start a job, I review exactly what the service includes. I use a printed worksheet that shows what will be cleaned in each room. When I do an estimate, I give clients a copy. For custom jobs, I just cross out what doesn't apply. When I reply to leads on Thumbtack, I copy and paste the worksheet with pricing. Clients know exactly what to expect, and it saves me so much back and forth. But clear communication isn't just about what you say, it's how you say it. Even when I text clients, I greet them by the time of day and the name they prefer. For example, "Good morning, Mrs. Torrey." Her full name is Victoria, but she prefers Torrey. "Good afternoon, Mr. William." Some prefer last names out of respect. These small details show respect and make clients feel valued. Clear communication builds trust. Be upfront. Be clear. Put it in writing. That's how clients see you as the professional you are. Stay tuned. Very soon, I will have an upcoming video on house cleaning estimates. Skill number 3, problem solving. Here's the truth. Even with the best planning, issues will happen. And one day, a client will say, "This wasn't clean to my expectations." Here's my advice. Don't take it personally. Don't beat yourself up. If something wasn't cleaned well, I offer to go back and fix it at no charge. That one gesture shows I stand behind my work, and it puts customer satisfaction first. Most of the time, the client respects you more because you handled it professionally. The next time something goes wrong, don't panic. Offer solutions, not excuses. This next one is huge. Empathy and patience. Empathy and patience can turn an uncomfortable situation into long-term success. Some clients can be really particular about how they want things done. Others may have special circumstances, like allergies to certain products. That's where empathy and patience come in. These two things will help you give a service that feels thoughtful and personalized. For example, if a client is worried about harsh chemicals, don't brush it off. Offer eco-friendly options. Sometimes it's as simple as using homemade cleaners. Honestly, one of my favorites is just vinegar mixed with 3 drops of Dawn dish soap and water in a spray bottle. It works like magic on soap scum in tubs and showers. Or you can use ChatGPT or Google to look at eco-friendly and biodegradable products like simple green products. Now let me share a personal story about patience. One of my very first clients hired us for a one-time cleaning before a party. Their regular cleaner was out of town, so they hired us after receiving my DIY house cleaning flyer hanging on their door. The husband was home while we cleaned. He admitted he liked how the tile floors looked cleaned and shiny after we were cleaning them, but the whole time he complained that we were taking too long. He thought we were being too thorough. We stayed calm. I apologized for the extra time, and I just focused on doing an excellent job. At the end, he paid me but told me straight up, even though you cleaned really well, I wouldn't hire you again. And you know what I said? I told him I understood, that his time was valuable, and I thanked him for letting me finish the job right. 2 weeks later, his wife called me. She said they had talked it over and decided they did want me to keep cleaning for them. She told me how impressed she was that the house still looked clean, even after the party, and 2 full weeks had gone by. And she said she really appreciated the patience we showed with her husband, even though he was a little rude that day. What started as a one-time cleaning turned into over 8 years of regular service until they retired and moved out of California. Patience pays off. Stay calm, stay professional, and let your work speak for itself. Patience today can mean loyal clients tomorrow. Skill number 5, professionalism. Professionalism might sound basic, but it's what separates amateurs from real business owners. Here's what I do. I arrive on time. I dress appropriately. I treat their home with care, as if it were my own. And if something breaks, I take full responsibility. I'll fix it, replace it, or hire someone who can. Clients will remember your honesty more than the mistake itself. Another important piece of professionalism is respecting privacy. Sometimes while cleaning, I come across personal items, like underwear or even sex toys. My rule? It's none of my business. I discreetly put underwear in the laundry basket and leave other items neatly where they were. No judgment, no comments. Finally, I send all my clients a reminder text the day before their cleaning. A simple text. Hello, your client name. Just a little reminder. I or we will be there to clean tomorrow around time you will be arriving. Thank you. It's a small act, but especially for monthly clients, it saves them from forgetting and builds reliability. Professionalism isn't just cleaning. It's how you show up, communicate, and respect your client's home. That's what builds trust. Skill number 6, follow up and feedback. One of the simplest ways to show clients you really care about their satisfaction is by following up after a cleaning job. And it doesn't have to be complicated. A quick thank you text or email asking if everything met their expectations is enough. That little step goes a long way. It shows you're not just there to grab a paycheck. You actually care about the quality of your work and their happiness. And here's the thing. Follow-ups can also lead to more business. For example, I once did a one-time move-in cleaning. Afterward, I sent a short message. Hi, just checking in. Did everything meet your expectations? They replied yes, and then asked if I could come back regularly, but just to clean the kitchen and 2 bathrooms. So what started as a one-time move-in cleaning turned into a customized job and eventually an ongoing client relationship. And all of that happened because I took a minute to follow up. But it's not just about following up. It's also about seeking feedback regularly. Encourage your clients to share their honest thoughts and let you know how you can improve. Make it clear that you're open to suggestions and willing to make things right if needed. Even though I've been cleaning for many of my clients for years, I still send reminders, thank you messages, and I let them know, if anything wasn't clean to your liking, please tell me and I'll gladly go back and fix it at no extra charge. That kind of follow-up shows you genuinely care about their satisfaction, and over time, it builds stronger trust and loyalty. So here's my advice. Make follow-ups and feedback part of your routine. Take those extra seconds to check in, thank your clients, and invite their input. It's the easiest way to turn one-time clients into long-term ones. Years of steady, loyal business. Now for this next part, I don't know if Mr. Steve Harvey actually came up with this business rule or method, but I remember hearing him talk about it on his TV show. And let me tell you, I put it to use in my day-to-day business life. In my notes, I personally call it the Mr. Steve Harvey business rule. And let me be clear, if someone else was the original creator of this method, I sincerely apologize for not giving the rightful credit. I just know that I heard it on Mr. Steve Harvey's TV show, I followed it, and I put it to work. And honestly, this rule has saved me a ton of time and energy. Because of it, I was able to keep my focus on serving the right clients and attracting excellent clients. Clients so loyal that I've been cleaning for them for years and years, some for over 14 years. Skill number 7, conflict resolution, and what I call the Mr. Steve Harvey business rule. When you're running a house cleaning business, one skill you absolutely need is conflict resolution. Because no matter how professional you are, complaints will come up. And the way you handle them can either build trust or drain your energy. Now, you can find plenty of online courses and free resources to sharpen your conflict resolution skills. But honestly, one lesson I picked up years ago from Mr. Steve Harvey changed the way I see clients forever. He broke it down like this. 25% of clients will complain every now and then. If you handle those situations professionally and fix the problem, all is well. 50% of clients will be easy to work with. They appreciate your hard work and make everything run smoothly. That's 75% of clients you can work with. But then there's the final 25%. The ones who will never be satisfied no matter what you do. They'll drain your energy, waste your time, and still complain. And his advice? Let those last 25% go. Don't waste your peace of mind on people who don't respect your work. Focus on the ones who truly value what you do. This advice saved me early on in my business. I remember one of my very first clients. Let's call him client number 2013, for it was around that time that we cleaned for him. We cleaned his home and he loved the results, but he was incredibly rude. He got upset because we replaced the bathroom and bedroom trash with grocery store bags. His pantry was full of them, and honestly, I thought I was helping by reusing them. But he didn't care. He demanded brand new store-bought trash bags and expected me to provide them. That wasn't all. He also wanted us to mop the entire house with only one bucket of water. Now, I'm all about being eco-friendly, but cleaning a whole house with dirty water, that's not sanitary and it's not professional. We finished the job, and even though he praised our work, when he asked to be added to the schedule, I declined. His energy, his unrealistic demands, it was clear he was part of that unpleasable 25%. And I wasn't about to waste my time or my peace. And then there was another client, a respected doctor who came to me through a referral. She loved how clean her house looked, but she complained about the strangest things. She didn't like that my vacuum's dust container was clear because she could see her cat's hair inside. She didn't like that we stepped inside her huge shower to clean it. The last time I checked, I don't have a magic wand that I wave and the bathroom is clean. We actually have to use our hands. She didn't even like that her husband spoke to us. It didn't take long for me to realize we weren't a good fit, and I respectfully ended services. And let me tell you, I've never once regretted walking away from clients like these. That 25 to 50 to 25 rule from Steve Harvey completely shifted my mindset. Instead of stressing out trying to please everyone, I focused on serving the clients who appreciated my work and respected me. Cleaning is already hard enough work. The last thing you need is to pour your time and energy into clients who will never value you. Don't waste energy on the wrong clients. Don't be afraid to let go of those difficult clients. Let go of the difficult 25%. Even if it's just one or two, it will open the door for better clients. You'll create space for clients who respect you, value your work, and help your business grow. So here's the truth. Customer service is about listening, communicating, problem solving, empathy, professionalism, follow-up, and yes, conflict resolution. But it's also about knowing when to let go. Focus on the 75% of clients who value and respect you, and you'll build a strong, profitable, and stress-free business. Remember, cleaning is already hard work. You don't need to waste energy on people who don't appreciate you. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more cleaning business tips, and drop a comment below. What's the most difficult client situation you've ever faced? FAQ, handling difficult clients and customer service in house cleaning. How do I handle a client who is never satisfied with my cleaning? If a client is part of the unpleasable 25%, no matter how hard you try, they won't be happy. Handle complaints professionally, offer to fix issues, but if they continue to drain your energy and disrespect your work, it's okay to let them go. Focus on the 75% of clients who value and respect you. What's the best way to deal with special cleaning requests? Active listening is key. Write down every client's preferences, no matter how small. For example, some clients may ask you not to touch their office desk, to use their own cleaning products, or to be extra careful with indoor-only pets. Keeping notes helps you stay consistent and builds trust. How can I make sure my communication with clients is clear? Always be upfront about your services, pricing, and what's included. A printed worksheet or checklist is a great way to set expectations. Whether in person, on the phone, or by text, keep your tone polite and professional, and always address clients by their preferred name. What should I do if a client complains about part of the job? Don't take it personally. Stay calm and professional. Offer to go back and fix the issue at no extra charge. This shows you stand behind your work and care about their satisfaction, often turning a negative moment into loyalty. How do empathy and patience help with clients? Empathy shows clients you care about their concerns, like switching to eco-friendly products if they're sensitive to harsh chemicals. Patience, especially with difficult clients, can pay off in long-term loyalty. One-time clients have turned into years of service just because I stayed patient and professional. Why is professionalism so important in house cleaning? Professionalism builds trust. Be on time, dress appropriately, and respect clients' homes and privacy. Even if something goes wrong, like breaking an item, own up, apologize, and replace it. Small touches like reminder texts before appointments also show reliability. How can follow-ups help my cleaning business grow? A simple thank you text or check-in after a job shows clients you care. This not only gets you valuable feedback, but can also turn one-time jobs into ongoing client relationships. Many of my repeat clients came from a simple follow-up message. What's the 25-50-25 rule from Steve Harvey, and how does it apply to cleaning? Mr. Steve Harvey explained that 25% of clients will complain sometimes, but they're manageable. 50% are easy to work with and appreciate your hard work. The last 25% will never be satisfied. The lesson? Don't waste your time on the last group. Focus on the clients who respect your work, and your business will grow without unnecessary stress. If you found this helpful, check out the link in the description for my full blog content on this video, where you can read and make notes on your own pace. Stay bona fide, keep growing, and keep glowing on your journey to becoming your own boss. See you in the next video.
Bonafide helpful vibes, yeah, we bring it to the light. Real talk, good heart, everything feeling right. From the soul to the smile, let the rhythm rise. Who you tuned in now to Bonafide helpful vibes.